See me, I know get that T-billion die away, but I got so much love to give you, so much love to give you now. I bless the day I found you, no. Oh, let have mercy. Don't tell me one shit. Do you would I mama helwa? Do you would I mama helwa? Many girls them trying to come my way. Some fine, some bad, but I swear that your tap never did. I bless the day I found you. So I have my tomatoes, pepper, onions, garlic already chopped. I want to make boiled yam and egg sauce, but I've already boiled the yam before I start videoing. So the onions are going in now. What's that tomato doing there? Like straight tomato.
Up next is mine.
But just allow that to fry for a bit and dry up. But I already added seasoning cube and added the oil. It was too dry, but I think I added too much oil. We eat it like that. So the egg sauce is ready, easy peasy. It didn't take too much time and it tasted so good. You should try my recipe at home. Add your ginger and garlic. The yam was a little bit cold, so I microwaved it for a bit. I know at this point you want to come into your camera and join me. Feel free to, okay? You're welcome. Come and enjoy my meal with me.
I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, back and forth through dark.
At this point, I was just enjoying my meal and just putting down random thoughts, basically about YouTube, like just video ideas and the rest of that. Hi guys, so I'm done eating, batting and the rest of that. After eating, I edited a bit because a video is meant to go up today, so I just wanted to complete all of that. So I want to really rush to go and relax my hair. It's actually late. I want to get it before it's 6 and before it close, and from there I'll pick up some things and I'll see you when I'm back, okay? So this is what I'm wearing. Nothing serious, just this bell bottom jeans, this top. And I'll wear slippers, nothing really serious, okay? So I'll see you all later.
But you tried to tell me all these things. Give me sometimes any pace. I'ma need space some days. And I'm just trying to do my things. And I'm just trying to get my way. So wanted to see you. I'm just trying to think that I'm the one for you. But don't you see, you're not everything, and I know you're not the one for me. Crazy things are happening, crazy things are happening. If you need somebody's crazy, if you chop somebody's crazy, crazy things are happening.
Hi guys, I just came back from relaxing my hair. I'm buying a few stuff and just buy. I'm really exhausted. Not like I did major work, but I'm tired regardless. So I'm just going to make dinner now, bath and watch movies and edit. That's basically it. If you're still watching to this point and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on the bell icon to notify when I post a video. Don't miss out on any of my videos. Like this video, share my videos, and the rest of that. So let's get cooking.
Try. I just want to turn my back tonight. So I'll make it seem. I just want to turn my back tonight.
You guys, let's make my favorite pasta recipe. Since I started making this pasta, like I've just been stuck on it. It's really good. So you can try this at home. Just sit back and watch the recipe. And of course it tasted really good. So you should really watch it. So it's important that you allow your onions fry for a bit and allow it release its flavor into the oil. And that key thing about this recipe is that I use the pasta jollof tomato mix, so it gives it that smoky flavor and it's really nice. So do not skip this step. So I'm just adding my all-purpose seasoning. Then after that, I'll add my barbecue sauce. Then normal seasoning cubes, and that's it. So I added my bell peppers and that was it. That was all for the sauce. So I just turned it into the pasta and mixed it and added my proteins. You'd see.
She was born out of golden fire. Bamboo beds shared with sister. Bible verses on the walls of cars. Oh, in her head, that's just
Come on, everybody loves birthdays. You got decorations, you got balloons, you got parties, and cake. Look, I don't need presents. I don't want decorations. I'm not a cake guy. I thought it was obvious. Work couldn't go good. You totally lost me. I told him to stop freaking out the toilet.
Guys, I'm watching The Bad Guys and I'm watching this movie for, I don't want to say almost a month, but I think it's almost a month. I'm just watching so many things at the same time, and I just watch like 5 minutes in a
I don't know when you're there. That I'm really not. I don't want to buy as much clothes. I don't want to buy clothes after this, but I still want to, especially next year, I want to buy clothes.
So guys, it's the end of the day. I've done everything, showered. All I have to do now is just sleep. But I'll edit a video before I sleep. Thank you so much for sticking with me, seeing how a day in my life is. This is not a typical day. It's like a chill day because I didn't go to work today. Anyways, if you're here to subscribe, please subscribe. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It actually really helps me if you like my video. Feel free to watch my other videos and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.